Welcome to a quick demo on how to add team members within OCMS Portal. The user roles that have access to user management are account owners and admins. You can access the user management page either from the top navigation or from the left sidebar. Apart from being able to add and remove team members, the user management page shows you how many users you currently have. It also shows you how many projects you currently have. To add a team member, click on the Create User button. This will open a pop-up where you can start entering your new team member's information. Begin by entering their first name, and then their last name. Next, provide their email address. Once you click to create their record, they'll receive a notification email that they've been added to the account and be provided their login details. Now, you want to select the user role for that new team member. There are 4 user role levels in OCMS Portal. The account owner can do everything, including adding and removing items from the subscription, such as the number of users or projects. An admin can do everything except manage subscriptions. A member can edit and work on assigned tasks and projects. And lastly, guest. The guest user role has view access only to projects they've been given access to. Depending on your specific requirements, choose the permission level that best suits your new team member. Proceed by entering their desired username, and optionally their job title. Now, choose one or more projects you want to add them to. Adding the user to a project gives them access to that project if they are a member or a guest. Account owners and admins can access all projects by default, whether they are added or not. With all the information in place, simply click on the Create button to complete the process. You'll instantly see the newly added team member appearing in your user list. If at any point you want to change any of the information or update team members' permission level, simply click on the pencil icon in the Action column and make your changes. Once you're done, click on the Update button for the changes to be reflected. Should the need arise to permanently remove a team member, click on the trash icon associated with that user and confirm your decision by clicking Delete. And that covers this quick demo on how to add team members within OCMS Portal. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime and we'll be happy to help.